6:45 here in the sunny Maldives. Walking from my apartment here in Male to the place where the company ferry comes and picks us up and takes us to the island where the base is. Pretty chill day scheduled today. I think about 6 sectors and then standby from about 3 o'clock. And a nice 2-hour shutdown for lunch at you and me. Weather wasn't forecasted to be so great today, but it looks like the sun is out and it's a beautiful day. It's my 5th day for my line training. Only about 85 hours to go. Let's do it. Just been released for our first sector of the day to Honolulu. Never been there before, but it should be a big learning experience and a lot of fun in this birdie right over here. Landed back in Male from Honolulu. Just been released now for 2 more sectors and hopefully a very decent lunch break. Touchdown at you and me by Cocoon about an hour ago. Managed to squeeze in a really good lunch just before the rain decided to pour down. Now we've got about a half an hour wait, then back to Male for some fun standby. Some really ugly looking dark clouds in the direction of Male. Flight back may not be as fun as previously expected.